Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about what is Glam Clan in your Myntra. I will tell you in this video. In any smartphone you have, click on search and here you have to write Myntra. Simply type on Myntra. This is the interface you will get. Here it is, Glam Clan, Ultimate Glam Clan. You have to just click on it. So if you have purchased anything from the Myntra, here you can earn credit for your post on 100 rupees for image and 200 for video post. So if you have purchased any pant, t-shirt, anything from Myntra, you have to just post it on your Glam Clan and they will give you 100 rupees for an image, and if you make a video of that product you will get 200 in your account. So total is about 300 rupees per post. For about 8 posts you will get. So this is the ultimate gram can. After that it will give affiliate links. If you have any YouTube or any, if you are an influencer, you can just simply give a affiliate links and you can get commissions for that. So that's how you can give. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.